Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, lived all the herbivorous animals happily and peacefully. This jungle had no tigers or lions or hyenas or eagles or any carnivore whatsoever. And as such, all the herbivores had a jolly good time in the jungle without worrying about being attacked or hunted down. But then, everything was about to change.
How good is the weather today? Nice and warm. And you know what that means, don't you?
Oh, come on, man. We hate when you splash water on us.
But you know what? I love it when elephant splashes water on us.
As usual, the animals were having a great time when suddenly a loud, thunderous roar was heard. All the animals turned to see that on a big rock stood a fearsome lion. All the little animals ran to their parents, who were also trembling in fear.
All right, listen up. I come from the nearby jungle where food is scarce and resources are running out. I see that there are no lions or big cats in this jungle. So, I am declaring myself the king of the jungle. From today, you will all bow down to me. Is that understood?
There was a complete silence. All the animals were scared to speak.
Good. I take your silence as a yes. It means you have accepted me as the king of this jungle. Now I can hunt you for my food every day. But that can create a lot of chaos around here. So, as your king, I suggest that every day my meal comes to me instead of me hunting you. For today, I am full because I had a hefty meal. But tomorrow afternoon, my meal should reach me. It can be any one of you, as long as it is big. Now, I'm going for a nap. Disperse.
The lion left and he went to the cave. The animals were scared by the sudden storm, and all of them quietly went back to their respective homes. A state of gloom sheathed over the once happy jungle. The very first animal to be the lion's prey was the deer. The poor mother deer who had no choice but to save her little ones from the ferocious lion.
Bye, dear friends, and my dear children, take care of yourselves.
Mama, don't go. The deer arrived near the lion's cave.
My meal is here. I got you. You are my feast for today. I did not lift a finger, but got a delicious meal for the day.
And fiercely, the lion attacked the deer and enjoyed his meal. It was a sad day for everyone in the jungle to wave goodbye to their innocent friend, and the sadness spread all over the jungle. The next morning, it was the zebra's turn, and with no other choice, he also waved goodbye to his friends and family and became the lion's prey.
My meal is here. I got you. You are my feast for today. I did not lift a finger, but got a delicious meal for the day.
That dreaded night was long and quiet until the elephant called for all the other animals to discuss who was to be given to the lion the next day. A much heated argument followed, for no one wanted to go to the lion.
We can all flee, leave the jungle.
Then where shall we go? You must have heard that the next jungle has no food. We can't go there. It's going to be deserted soon. We are stuck here.
More arguments followed until a hare came forward. Meanwhile, an intelligent hare somewhere behind the bushes was listening to all these conversations of the animals.
I will go.
All the animals were shocked and turned to look at the fearless voice, and to their surprise, it was a little hare.
Hereafter, you need not worry. I will find a solution and teach a good lesson to this lazy, heartless lion.
What will you do? Do you have any plan?
Yes, you all just wait and watch.
Saying that, the hare left. A ray of hope spread amongst the animals. Meanwhile, the hare devised a plan to trap the cruel lion. The following afternoon, the lion came out of his cave and roared loudly.
Oh, where is my meal? I'm so hungry. Why hasn't my meal reached me yet? Did they lose their fear of me?
Angry lion was about to set off when suddenly he spotted a hare approaching him.
So, my food is late and that too small? These animals will know better from tomorrow. But first, let me fill my stomach. My meal is here. I got you. You are my feast for today. I did not lift a finger, but got a delicious meal for the day.
Your Highness,
How dare you arrive so late?
I'm sorry, my lord. I would have reached here on time. But I was late because he stopped me.
Who?
He, my lord. He is very ferocious. He is so strong.
Whom are you talking about? And how dare you to praise anybody else in front of me?
But he is so strong, my lord, believe me.
The lion was shocked to know someone else there in the jungle may be stronger than him.
Tell me, who is?
The other lion, my lord, he says he is the king of this jungle.
Is it so? I command you to tell me all about this lion.
This lion wanted to make me his meal, but I told him that I was already on my way to meet you. He laughed at me and he said that a real king hunts his prey and that I shouldn't go to a weak lion, my lord, weak lion like you. And my lord, these words were of his and not mine.
How dare this lion insults me? Take me to him right now.
My lord, the other lion also wanted to meet you. He spared my life so that I could deliver this message to you. He says he is the new king of the jungle.
The lion was now more furious than ever.
Did he say so? Lead me to that fake king.
But my lord, I wouldn't suggest going after him because he looks stronger than you.
Just lead me to him. I am strong. I am mighty. I am the very best. I am the king. Now, let me take down the very fake king.
And so the hare took the lion to the other end of the jungle where there is a stone well with plenty of crystal clear water.
My lord, the other lion lives inside that well.
The lion climbed the wall of the well and looked down. There he saw the other lion looking back at him. The foolish lion didn't realize that he was staring at his own reflection, and he gave a huge roar. The roar echoed in the wall of the well and sounded even louder.
You are right. This fellow is very strong. His roar is mighty. But don't worry, I will finish him in a jiffy. Because I am strong, I am mighty, I am the very best. I am the king. Now, let me finish the very fake king.
Saying this, the lion jumped into the well and he hit his head at the well's bottom. The lion never came out, and hare smiled with pride. All the animals hiding behind the bushes came out clapping. The hare gave them a bow. And this was the time the little hare very smartly executed his plan and defeated the lion.
Dear Hare, thank you for saving us. Today, you have taught us that intelligence always has an upper hand when compared to physical strength.
All the animals jumped with joy and danced around. The hare came with the crown, walking proudly. And so the lush green jungle was once again a happy place.